The Mall of America has 500 stores, roller coasters, and an aquarium full of sharks. But we're here for something far more dangerous: the food court. With over 50 dining options, you could eat your way from sushi to funnel cake and back again, all without leaving the building. There's fast food, sit-down spots, bubble tea, burgers, and everything in between. Want elegant dining? Check. Want cotton candy on a stick? Also check. We're about to explore the food scene, one bite at a time, on this LoveNesters adventure.
The $100 challenge at Mall of America. Follow along to see how many restaurants we can actually try with $100 as our limit today at Mall of America. Kind of looks like me.
There are plenty of fast food options at the Mall of America, but for our challenge, we're going to seek out the more unique places. The second part of our food challenge today is we're only going to get food places that are in the coupon book. That should help us extend how much food we're able to eat today. The highest concentration of food options are found on the north and south dining courts. We're going to get things started on the north food court. Beard Papa got its start in Japan, and now there are over 400 locations.
The world's best cream puffs here at the Mall of America, $6.
This is going to be a yummy day. Oh gosh. And we're from Wisconsin, so we know a thing or two about cream puffs.
Wisconsin? Thumbs up on the world's best cream puffs.
This Italian street food restaurant got its start in Ohio. While they have multiple locations, this is the only one located in a mall. So for this one, we're getting a free kids meal. So this is piatta, which is Italian street food.
Piatta?
Piatta. Give it a try, honey. We got a BLT type of wrap, and it came with the kids' meal, so we went with meatballs. They're grass-fed meatballs on... Well, the meatballs aren't grass-fed. So the meatballs come on a choice of pasta. We went with penne, and it comes with a drink. So this was a good deal.
$10.51 piatta.
Oh my gosh. Look at these. These are huge.
This is the BLT at piatta. Excellent, excellent.
This is so good. It's so nice to go to a mall and actually be eating something moderately healthy. The lettuce in here is so fresh. This is really fantastic. This restaurant is not only unique for its sushi, but its robot servers. Oh, water. There we go. Okay. So we're going to try to get some water from the robot. Here's the robot coming to say hi. Hi there. Oh, there's our one water. Thank you. Okay, this is fun. Okay, so here's things for the non-daring people. There's watermelon, there's edamames, there's cucumbers, and everything. What's really cool here is everything is $3.95, so it's not too hard to keep track of the math of how much you're going to pay. We got it. This is out of our comfort zone, but it's kind of fun.
Spider roll.
We have no idea what a spider roll is. There's rice. I'm hoping there's no spider.
Spider roll.
Oh my gosh, you are so brave.
Excellent. We have no idea what it is, but it is excellent. Wasabi's very, very hot. My eyes are watering.
Over here.
But it's good. Wasabi. Wow.
So I am not the most adventurous eater here. I like the wasabi, I like the rice. I'm scared to try the thing in the center.
The spider?
Yeah, I mean it could, that could be like a really big spider.
No, I think it's just crap.
I don't even want to think about what that was. I don't like seafood. That tasted like seafood. Ugh.
This is literally a $4 plate sample. So highly recommend it. $4 in, we're still sitting good. We don't know what we're eating, but it's good.
When you're done, you put your plates in the little disposable thing and it counts how many plates, and that's how they figure out your bill. So, fun fact, this was the first rainforest cafe ever opened right here in Mall of America. So today we're checking out the Wahlburger restaurant. Fun story, there's 3 Wahlburger brothers, 2 are actors, one's a chef, and they put together a restaurant. We're excited to see what they have to offer. All right, so we got deep fried pickles. If you've seen our video in Mackinac Island, we tried pickles for the first time that we loved.
You gotta try them.
We'll see how this goes.
Go.
Cheers.
We're at Wahlburgers in the Mall of America.
Okay. I am a deep fried pickle fan. I did not know that about myself until this year. These are great. Fun fact, Caribou Coffee got its start in Minnesota. We are excited to check out this French-themed restaurant. It's located on the first floor on the north side of the mall.
Our server is awfully fast today. Thank you very much. You just got yourself a 20% tip.
Sweet Paris Creperie Cafe is very hard to say, but it's a very fancy schmancy place. They normally plate the food. We had it to go because we are getting very full. This $100 food challenge is killing us. You gonna try some?
La California.
So we had the coupon that got us 1 free Nutella crepe as long as we got a savory crepe. So it was something healthy and something sweet.
Fantastic. Wow. Well worth the wait.
And this is a Nutella crepe, something sweet. Oh my god. This is a high calorie day for sure. This is fantastic. It's so nice to be able to eat at the mall, and it's really healthy. Healthier. It's not a fast food option. It's very good.
Avocado.
Look at all that.
Avocado, turkey, tomato.
So we are failing at this $100 food challenge. We can't eat it all. So we put it in some zippy bags in our backpack, and we're looking like a bunch of vagrants.
People are looking at us like a bunch. We are a bunch of
Yeah,
vagrants.
we're looking weirder
That's
than
okay.
normal. All right, we're going to try to spend the rest of our money here in the South Street dining area. Johnny Rockets now has over 325 locations in multiple countries. They are known for their 1950s diner theme, and they got their start in Los Angeles.
This is Johnny Rockets' original hamburger here at the Mall of America.
Johnny Rockets burgers, only $10.
Very reasonable, very good.
We have $30 to go. We're going to fail at this food challenge. Wow. Sugar Factory restaurants can be found in major cities worldwide. They are known for their over-the-top desserts, and we're excited to give them a try. Oh my gosh, this is huge.
We failed.
We could not eat $100 worth of food, but it's good to know that two people can get really full for less than $100 at the Mall of America.
And I think we went to 6 different places and
Yeah.
had some great food, so
We'll put the total here for you, but we had a great time. It was not just all junk food, but we are full.
thanks for being here.